Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a healthy meal with ground beef. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, ground beef can be the base for many healthy meals. Here are a few recipes, and then number 1 is stuffed bell pepper with ground beef and guano. Ingredients are bell peppers, lean ground beef, guano, diced tomatoes, spinach or kale, garlic, onion, cumin and paprika. So instructions are: preheat the oven to 375°F or 190°C. Cut the top of the bell peppers and remove seeds. Set aside. In a pan, cook the ground beef with diced onion and garlic until beef is browned. Stir in tomatoes, spinach or kale, guano and spices, cooking until the greens are wilted. Stuff each pepper with beef mixture and place them in a baking dish. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until peppers are tender. Now, the second is beef and vegetable stir fry. Ingredients are lean ground beef, broccoli, bell peppers, carrot, snap peas, garlic, ginger, low sodium soy sauce, and a drizzle of sesame oil. Instructions are: brown the ground beef in a large skillet over medium heat. Medium-high heat, add minced garlic and ginger, followed by the veggies, and cook until they are tender crisp. Add soy sauce and sesame oil, stirring to combine. Serve over brown rice or cauliflower rice for a low-carb option. Now the third is healthy ground beef and sweet potato skillet. Ingredients are: lean ground beef, sweet potatoes, cubed bell peppers, garlic, onion, spinach, smoked paprika, cumin, and salt. Instructions are: saute garlic and onion until fragrant, then add ground beef and cook until brown. Add cubed sweet potatoes and bell peppers, season with smoked paprika and cumin, and cover the skillet. Cook until sweet potatoes are tender, stirring occasionally. Add spinach in the last few minutes and cook until wilted. Now the fourth is beef and black bean lettuce wraps. Ingredients are: lean ground beef, black beans, drained and reasoned, diced tomatoes, chopped green onions, lettuce leaves, taco seasoning, and toppings like diced avocado, Greek yogurt, or salsa. Instructions are: in a skillet, cook ground beef and taco seasoning until browned. Add black beans and tomatoes, cooking until warm thorough. Serve the mixture in large lettuce leaves, topping with avocado, yogurt, or salsa, and that's basically how you can do it. And each of these recipes is packed with vegetables, uses lean ground beef, incorporates wholesome ingredients for a balanced and healthy diet. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.